Hi, my name is Victor Bart and I'm in my lodge in Africa, in Uganda, and let's go for a run. I'm staying in the Ihasha Jungle Lodge in Uganda, so let's go for a run. If we are lucky, we can see animals in this park here, but there are also lions. So I hope I will get out alive. So I can go this way and this way. I think I go this way. Hello. Hello. How are you? Oh, how are you? Yeah, running. How are you? Yeah. I think she was making fun of me. Here's some small village. Hello, how are you? Hello, come run with me. Come run. Running. Running. Where are we going? Hello. Good. Running. Come running. More kids are running with me now. I ran for half an hour, so I think I'm gonna head back. And then I will see all the kids again. So beautiful here. Look at this view. I think the kids are waiting for me. Run again! Yeah, runner, good runner! Are you okay? Yeah. Hello. Running with me. Hello. How are you? Is this the school? Yes. Okay, here is the school of the kids. And here they have the church. You go here? Okay. Bye. See you later. It was a pleasure to run with you. Thank you. Bye. I was the main attraction in the village and all the kids went running with me. What a great experience. I ran for almost 1 hour. I need to check how much kilometers it is, but it was a pleasant run. And in the Netherlands I also run with this hot conditions. I think it's around 28-30 degrees or something. Too bad I didn't saw any wildlife, but it's what the nature gives you to look at. I hope the hot water is working.
But you are physically fit because we know bowlers and those people, the athletes, those people who run,
yeah,
they are always physically fit. And your size, your fitness, yeah, it look like
2 years ago,
yes,
I was 11 kilos more.
Oh.
So I changed what I eat in the morning and some little changes in my food. And I start running a bit. Yeah. And the smallest run what I do is at home 5 kilometers. Up to like 8, sometimes even 12 or 14. So I lost a lot of weight by doing that.
Oh, but you look very healthy. It's complicated for you because here it's a lot of heat.
At home,
yes,
with this heat, I also go running.
Do you also get the same heat?
Yeah, sometimes in the summer, this heat and this dry air.
Sure.
And also the dirt where I live, I can run also on dirt a bit and on pavement, but also on dirt.
Because I'm wondering, it's very, very, very rare to see a white man running
here.
this time.
Yeah.
We have we had seen a lot of them.
Yeah.
Sometimes making some exercises, jogging, running like that, but not at this time.
No.
It's hot. For them, they always do early morning or late evening.
Yeah.
But for you, I'm wondering.
But I don't think about it. I just think, oh, I want to go for a run, so let's go. Here we have the sun boiler. Back at the lot, so let's take a shower and hope there's hot water. There's some water coming. So let's wait for the water to warm up. Thanks for joining me at the run. It was fun with all the kids and the Uganda people are so nice and friendly. So see you next time.